The blue dot you see in this picture is the Earth, photographed from an astounding distance of 3.7 billion miles. This is the pale blue dot, captured by the Voyager 1 spacecraft on February 14, 1990. This iconic photograph reminds us just how special and tiny our Earth is in the vast universe. The idea to take this picture came from Carl Sagan, a famous scientist who loved to teach people about the stars and our planet. Voyager 1 is a spacecraft sent into space by NASA in 1977. Its main objective was to explore the outer planets of our solar system. After it finished its primary mission, it kept traveling further into space. Carl Sagan asked NASA to turn Voyager 1 around to take one last picture of Earth before it went too far. Some people thought this was not a good use of the spacecraft's power, but the picture it took became one of the most important pictures in the history of humanity. In the pale blue dot photo, our Earth looks like a tiny, delicate light, almost like a little dust speck caught in a beam of sunlight. All around it is the deep, dark space. Carl Sagan spoke about this picture in a way that touches the heart. He said, "Look again at that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us." He meant that every person who ever lived, ever laughed, every tear, every city and mountain, everything we know is on that tiny dot. The picture has a unique and interesting story. This famous picture of Earth was not originally planned to be part of Voyager 1's mission. The team in charge of Voyager rejected the idea several times. They were worried about not having enough resources and possibly damaging the cameras by pointing them towards the sun. It took 8 years and 6 requests to get approval for the images. An element of luck played a role in the dramatic impact of the photograph. The image features scattered light patterns that resemble sunbeams, which were actually artifacts resulting from the necessity of pointing the camera close to the sun. Voyager 1 was far away from the sun, about 40 times the distance between the Earth and the sun, so the Earth looked really close to the sun in the picture. Remarkably, one of these rays of scattered light intersected with Earth by chance, enhancing the photo's dramatic effect. The process of capturing and transmitting this image was a technical challenge. On February 13th, the cameras of Voyager 1 were powered up, requiring 3 hours to warm up in the coldness of space. The images were then saved on the spacecraft's onboard tape recorder. Because Voyager 1 was so far from Earth, the images of Earth snapped by the probe captured light that had left our planet 5 hours and 36 minutes earlier. The next important part of the process was downloading. The spacecraft was so far from Earth, it took several communications passes with NASA's Deep Space Network over a couple of months to transmit all the data. The last of the image data were finally downloaded on Earth on May 1st, 1990. After Voyager 1 took these iconic pictures on February 14th, 1990, the spacecraft's cameras were permanently turned off. 22 years later, in 2012, it became the first spacecraft to enter interstellar space. Today, at a distance of 15 billion miles or 24 billion kilometers, it is the farthest man-made object in space. The 2 Voyager spacecraft are still beaming back data from regions of the cosmos we have never explored. So, the pale blue dot is more than just a space photo. It's a powerful reminder of our small place in the universe, how fragile our planet is, and our duty to protect it. This tiny dot in a beam of sunlight is our home, our only home. It's a beautiful, delicate world, and it's up to us to take care of it for now and for the future. Share this important message with your friends and follow the secrets of the universe for more videos on astronomy.